The title race is over. Mamelodi Sundowns fell short last night playing against the TS Galaxy. I know, Bafito. I called it. I called it. I did a video before the game. There's a very high chance your team Mamelodi Sundowns could lose this one. And they did exactly that. They lost. Agna Mundoro Chiwe. It was a clean game, clean football. Both teams batole a penalty first half, and then obviously TS Galaxy scoring the first goal. Mamelodi Sundowns yakava ngoLeon. TS Galaxy siboniseng into singayicabanganga nokuthi izoyenza. TS Galaxy siboniseng into singacabanganga nokuthi bazoyenza. They played beautiful football. Bayilandile Mamelodi Sundowns, they did everything right. Defense Mamelodi Sundowns last night was poor. Goalkeeping Mamelodi Sundowns last night was poor. Midfield Mamelodi Sundowns izolo bengekho. I said last time, le Mamelodi Sundowns lesibhekelele le season akusile Mamelodi Sundowns lesijwayele. This wasn't the Mamelodi Sundowns that we always see dominating iwina league 5 games before the end of the season league yabo. They played different this time. There's just something happening. There's something wrong nje lapha ku Mamelodi Sundowns. I looked at most of their players, especially from their game against the Kaizer Chiefs. I looked at their players from Lapan and then I'm like, no man, it must be fatigue. Actually, from the game yesterday, Bosch, it must be fatigue. Bakatele la Bafana Sundowns. Mamelodi Sundowns players are tired. We have Bakatele, and it's concerning. It's concerning because sisondela kusikhathi se-World Cup, the very same players laba bakhathele siyabadinga for a World Cup. We need them so that Bafana does well at the World Cup, if Bafana is going to do well. I don't know if Ronwen Williams, it's a matter of upumile fomini or sekaphelile sekakhathele, or is it a thing of fatigue na because this season akavimbanga zona. This season, and he's definitely not a contender for goalkeeper of the season. He shouldn't even be nominated for a goalkeeper of the season. Ronwen Williams gule season lena wasn't the Ronwen Williams the last time we actually saw Ronwen Williams at his best, ile AFCON leya Bafana yathatha bronze medal. Angazi, there's something happening in Ronwen Williams. Angithi, there's a saying in English that says, form is temporal. Class is permanent. So uzozibekela wena ukuthi Ronwen Williams umbeka kuphi. Was he at a point laphana ukuthi he was just on form? And the defense yakhe be solid. That's why beganga concede amagoli amaningi. That's why besibona ngathi is the best goalkeeper, because this season defense yakhe has been tested. Kule season le defense yakhe ibe exposed. Sabona another side of Ronwen Williams singalijwayelanga. So there's something happening lapha Mamelodi Sundowns. You look at the coach also, Coach Miguel Cardoso. Abantu abaningi have been complaining about the style of play as later and as implemented ku Mamelodi Sundowns. Lo muntu bamsayinele bafethu. Bahambile bayolanda ama player wama 20 million, 30 million, 40 million. Yazini Sundowns spendile, balanda bo Resino, balanda bo Nuno Santos, abo Leon, abo Banban, babalanda bonke, babalethela yena Miguel Cardoso, and then he still failed to defend the league. Kona manje kumshubele uyahamba uyodlala iCAF Champions League. We don't even think ukuthi Mamelodi Sundowns is going to do well ku CAF. If you think Mamelodi Sundowns is going to do well ku CAF, then unfortunately Africa, fellow South African, I have bad news for you. Mamelodi Sundowns is not going to do well at the CAF Champions League. Their players are tired. Their players don't look like they want to win. Their players are not playing the football they're playing like angazi in lento labayenza. So Mamelodi Sundowns is not going to do well with CAF Champions League. What is Miguel Cardoso going to do different that he couldn't do against the TS Galaxy, that he couldn't do against Kaizer Chiefs, that he couldn't do against Stellenbosch FC? He nazoyenza different. And he doesn't have impact players. If you're starting 11 Saki as a Shisi, then he doesn't have impact players. And obviously Utemba Mshishi Zwane ukhathele. Uyazibonela ukuthi uZwane ukhathele ibhlungu bafethu. I know we all love Themba Zwane, we all enjoy watching him play, but unfortunately uThemba Zwane uphelile. Themba Zwane is finished. He can't save Mamelodi Sundowns. Angeke angene from ebenchina enza umehluko. Ayikho into azoyenza nanoma ngahamba neBafana. He can go to the World Cup neBafana, but there's nothing he will do. Themba Zwane is finished. Udlalile, we love him, and I think this is the time. Mela henga maboots bafethu. Mela henga maboots. Abantu bathi good music, you must leave the mic before the mic leaves you. Even in football, you must leave the ball before the ball leaves you. Ichayile yakamshi, she's had a very phenomenal career. Winile wonke la cup bekumele ukuthi awawine, but injalo indaba. So I don't think Mamelodi Sundowns is going to do well go CAF Champions League. I think their team Liana is going to give them a tough time. Their team Liana is going to give them a challenge. And also anything enza ukuthi ngibe concerned about the performance go Champions League is the fact that we all seem to undermine the team abayodlala na ASFA. Sayanyatsa their team leya. We don't know what they're capable of. We haven't spent time watching ama game abo. If you have wena lana mhlambe ungakhuluma ungilungisa ungcorrect mina ngikhumbule ngibabhekelela abadlala, but I've been watching Mamelodi Sundowns a lot. Le Sundowns le dlala manje akusi Sundowns esijwayele bakhathele namajita lawo. These guys need to rest, and unfortunately they're not gonna get enough time to rest because phezu kwalokho baya ku final yeCAF. But nonetheless sibafisela okuhle. Now let's talk about the title race. Clearly it's done. It's been wrapped, it's over. Now it's up to Orlando Pirates to win it. It's up to the Orlando Pirates players to go all out. And if mina ngaba advisor my player Pirates, win both games. Don't even settle for a draw in any of the games. Win both games. If Orlando Pirates are winner Saturday, Orlando Pirates phakamisa le league. Yayithatha phakamisa, it will be celebrated as Godin. So all Orlando Pirates needs to do, they need to make sure they win the next two games. All Coach Abdeslam Owadu needs to do is make sure Uguti he motivates his players, number one, and he selects the right players. Aziye ukuthi bazongena lapha with the winning mentality. Aziye ukuthi lapha bayamkorela ama goal, and they're going to do the right things and they're going to make things happen. And ngishilo nayizolo, unfortunately mele ngiphinde futhi manje, this could be the last season we see Mfokeng play in the Betway Premiership. The next two games are really important for us as Orlando Pirates supporters to watch, because there's a very high chance ukuthi president yahamba bafethu. Uyahamba is going to look for greener pastures elsewhere. Uyahamba uyodlala kwamanye ama league mfana. This boy has done it for Orlando Pirates at 21 years. At 21 years he stands a chance ukuthi abambe Betway Premiership. Awinja boy, awishayile into yakhe Mfokeng. Like this season, we saw a different Mfokeng. Mina, I'm one person that gives credit where it's due. Mawubheda ngiyakhuluma ukuthi uyabheda, mawudlala kahle ngiyakhuluma ukuthi udlala kahle. Bengifuna ukuncoma ucoach Abdeslam Owadu kule department le yokuthi athathe Mfokeng amove from being a wing and convert him into a number 10, because we saw a beast. Mfokeng makaba in number 10. We saw a beast. Mfokeng number 10 is taking on players. Uyapasa, uyashuta, like he's doing everything right, playing in that number 10 role. He's fast kula number 10 role. Like uconverter fast. The way you akwazi ukuthatha i-defense and turn it into offense. He ufuna ibholo, uyalireleasa, uyaspacea, wenza zonke izinto right. Mfokeng this season is definitely a contender for player of the season. A contender for players player of the season. A contender for young player of the season because una 21. A contender also for midfielder of the season. He stands a chance of winning 4 awards. Then ahamba overseas, ahamba yodlala ne World Cup. It's success. He has to be one of the most successful 21-year-olds that have played with PSL. Mina ngeke ngayibona kwe era yami. Ozonapolis naye nyasola, this could be the last season simbona Orlando Pirates. Nyasola ukuthi Ozonapolis now uyahamba. That boy is too much. He's too much for the PSL. The way I composed ngakhona, the way I trap ibhola ngakhona, the way I turn ngakhona, the way I shoot ngakhona, the way he is so direct. Ozonapolis is so direct. Akamoshi isikhathi, he doesn't toss and turn ngebhola for no reason. Maka ngaphakamisa ikhanda abona ipala uyashuta, aphakamisa ikhanda aspot umuntu ashaye run uyamupha, aphakamisa ikhanda he sees an opportunity to take a player on uyalithatha and then releases the ball. So like Orlando Pirates, everything this season ifavile Orlando Pirates. Only they can mess it up for themselves, man. Only they can mess it up for themselves, man. Kaizer Chiefs, ibambile Mamelodi Sundowns 2-1 draw. Ibambile. Make sure ukuthi Sundowns doesn't get the maximum point. The only thing they got against Kaizer Chiefs is 1 point. Stellenbosch FC, ibambile Mamelodi Sundowns. They made sure ukuthi Mamelodi Sundowns I put in a maximum point, but only point 1. And then TS Galaxy did the right things, is all. By Shaili Mamelodi Sundowns, it wasn't easy because Sundowns ibuyile ya equalizer. It wasn't easy. Yabuyi TS Galaxy ya winner, so it's up to Orlando Pirates, man. It's up to Orlando Pirates, man. Ama supporter bayidlalile indima yabo, supported the coach from the start of the season until the end of the season. Of course, there were times during the course of the season la it became a bit emotional. La makashanga ama back-to-back loss. It raised a lot of concerns. Guma supporter good Asan, fan. Is this the right guy for the job? Mara he silenced us. Manje sesikwazi ukuthi sikhulume kuphela ngama tactical errors awenzayo, but we know ukuthi is going to get the results. So complain kuphela ukuthi our coach no substitutions from the bench, la bench lakho libe weak, la bekumele ukuthi wenze so. Football is a game of opinions. We'll all have opinions, but at the end of it all, what's all lama results? So Orlando Pirates, it's up to bona manje ukuthi bayiwine lento le. And I'd like to say something. Kunabantu ku social media bebakhuluma lapha bathi imagine inkosi nathi sibisa phakamisa iBetway Premiership. Abantu bathi that will never happen. I've bad news for all of you. It's looking very likely. I'm sure lani khona manje nithulile. Nikwinyamathe lani khona manje ukuthi it could happen. Unkosi nathi sibisi could be lifting iBetway Premiership this season. Yoyiphakamisa. Now the only thing that the Orlando Pirates needs to do after la beef up his squad for ICAF. Beef up the squad for ICAF. Beef it up. Get a striker. Owaziyo ukuthi ushaya goal. Get a striker owaziyo ukuthi mamfaka laphana you guaranteed in 5 games lo muntu angakushayela 3 goals. Makuthi uhlulekile. If akashanga 5 ukushayela 3 goals, get a striker siyazi into esenzayo, a striker escorayo. Get someone that's more compact in the middle of the park ozokwazi ukulekelelana uMbatha noMakhawula. Ozokwazi ukusizana nabo. Get someone ozobasiza laphaya. So this has been a very interesting season, and then sizobona bafethu ukuthi phela kanjani.